Hello friends. So in last week market analysis video, which we have shared on 12th June, we have discussed about two support levels in for Nifty. So let's check chart and how see how it worked well. So on Friday, the Nifty had tested this support level 15,431. It was near to this support level, and after creating a low of 15,450, the Nifty had bounced around 250 points in the same day itself. This happened on Friday. So this is how our support and resistance work generally. And as a risk averse trader, one should look at this opportunity to buy some stocks for short term or a long term purpose. As you can see on Telegram, on our Telegram channel as well, we have updated that we are buying stocks for short term at around 11 a.m., which was exactly near the low of low for Nifty of around 15,450. And those who are following us on Telegram and Twitter, they have benefited from this analysis. You can also join us on a Telegram ID, and you can subscribe to our channel and also like our video before starting with the market analysis. So let's see the Nifty chart again, and as you can see, the view is same again. But this time, the support, I would say, support levels will be intact, like support at 15,431 from this all-time high levels, and from this trend line support is at around 15,000. But one interesting thing that we can see is Nifty is facing a resistance at around this level. I think probably the market will consolidate near 16,000 to 15,430 level for a few more days before picking one particular trend in either direction, up or down. So we will have to wait for the market to give breakout, and probably we might see some consolidation in coming days as well in Nifty. This is all about Nifty analysis. Let's start with the stock analysis for next week. First stock is Bosch. Just check out this red line first. So as you can see, the red line is the resistance for Bosch, and it is forming a cup and handle pattern. It is a pattern, and it is like forming, and probably after a breakout above this red line, it will start its upward journey. Second resistance for this particular stock is from this long-term trend line, resistance line. So the stock is facing resistance at this trend line, and probably it is very much near to this resistance currently. Probably it can consolidate near this particular region for few days or few weeks, and then it might take off from this level and go to achieve a target. So in Bosch, our trade will be very positional for a few months to years, I would say. So one can look to buy in range of 14,800 to 50,200. Stop loss will be 13,200, and target will be 26,350 and 33,720. How I got this target is on the basis of the range calculation. So I will show how I did the range calculation for this. So, so suppose if it gives a breakout above this red line, so the target will be calculated from this high to this low, and I have added this above this red line, and I got a target of around 26,350 based on this red line. And second target I have got on the basis of this long trend line. So I have calculated this range from this high to this low, and then I have added this on this blue line. I have got a target of 33,720 in this case. Bosch is a positional trade for medium to long term, I would say, and this is a trading plan for Bosch, which one can look for. Next stock is CSB Bank. We have discussed about one common IPO patterns which is happening nowadays in many IPOs and past IPO as well. What happens is on the IPO days or near to this day, it creates a new high. It opens and create a high, and then it moves down, then consolidate, and then probably after breakout it shoots up. In CSB right now, the resistance is already broken at this particular level, and the stock is now retesting this resistance level. So currently the stock is offering low risk opportunity for short term traders. So one can look to buy a CSB near in this range 315 to 320. Stop loss will be 240 and target will be 530. So this common pattern of like breaking a high and then the IPO stocks are now rallying. So I will show in some of the stocks again. So let's take Ease My Trip. So as you can see, it created a high, it gave a breakout, and then it almost doubled, I would say, after this breakout. Again, another stock is Scams. So it broke this high. It opened, created a high, it went down, it consolidated and gave a breakout, and then the stock had almost doubled. So this is a common pattern which is happening in most of the IPOs nowadays. So one can check CSB Bank as well for short term. So the last stock is Hindustan Zinc. So I will open a weekly chart first to explain this pattern, what it is exactly. So I term this pattern as a volatility contraction. So this is a strong pattern, and I generally follow this pattern very much for my positional trade because after the breakout, the stock rallies like anything. So what this pattern is, there is a big candle, red or green, which is called as the mother candle. And after this candle is formed, then all the next candles that is formed within this range. So as you can see, also there are tiny candles which are formed in the range of the mother candle. And once the stock give a breakout above this, it can be a buy for a trader, and the stock with a proper stop loss, and then stock can move higher. So the breakout in this had already happened at this particular level, and now the stock is currently consolidating near this resistance level itself. So which is currently giving a low risk opportunity for trader as well. So one can look to buy in range of 320 to 330. Stop loss will be 300 and target will be 417. So the target calculation is in here is again same. I have calculated the range of this mother candle, and then I have added this about this line. So I got the target of around 417 in this. So this big candle is called mother candle, and all the small candles inside this mother candle is are called a daughter candle. This is how I termed this. You can have your own definition, everything. So it's okay, but you can look out this pattern as well. And some of the I will show one more chart in which I have followed this pattern very recently. So I have opened a chart of Graphite India. So as you can see here, this is again same concept. Big candle, then small candle is formed in this range. A stock gives a breakout and then it rallies. So as you can see, after the breakout, the stock had almost around have given around 200% return, or stock had become around 3x in this case. So this is how this concept, this strategy works. So one can look Hindustan Zinc also for short-term purpose. So this was all about the market analysis and the stock analysis for next week. You can follow us on Twitter or Telegram for more updates related to market. We give updates live during the market hours, so that all the viewers can take benefit of this. And you can watch out the levels that I have mentioned. So these are the Twitter and Telegram ID for where you can follow us. Also, you can subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified for all the videos that we upload. There is a disclaimer also with this video. Thank you, guys.